everybody, welcome to another video. Today, how conveniently I found in this, we're going to do pistol only challenge and see how far we can get. Yeah. So even in the start lobby, we're not allowed to do anything that's not pistol. Because today, as many people don't know, it's Night of the Living Burger Day. And that means all the cheeseburgers of the world are going to be living. So you better watch out. Like just really better watch out. So I'm gonna drop Peasant Parkway. I don't know if that's the smartest, but don't know. I think it might be pretty good. Let's try it out. Okay. Dropping down. My favorite glider personally is the one I'm using right now. I don't even know what it's called, Inner Space Glider or something like that. I think it's the coolest. The white variant of it is also really nice. But I just prefer the black one because I'm not racist. Let's shop broke. Comment down below your favorite glider. I really like to know this kind of stuff. Oh, I can't pick this up right away. So, one thing I did forget to mention is that grenades are allowed. And so I can use grenades along with my pistols. Alright, so sadly this is going to have to be my AR for the game. And of course there's a double doodle. I'll come back to you later maybe. Let's see. Change that. So far it appears my loadout's looking just a tad bit sad. Just 3 clingers and some dualies. And I really want to pick it up. I don't know. I think it's good. I mean, it's not great in every situation, but overall, overall that gun's really good. Not really good, but pretty good. So I don't know how much that person's very smart. Oh! Wow, that was the stupidest streamer I think of. 2 bolts. Or 2 snipers. Like you'd think you'd be a little smarter. I think that's the person that sniped at me. These minis. Just in case it's not. Don't go in the window. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that was one of the luckiest clinger plays I've ever done. Man, I still don't believe. How did she not hear or see it? Yeah, she raided the whole bottom floor. Whoa! Looks like there's a little bit of build battle action right there. Oh, a pistol. So I think this is gonna be my close range weapon. And that's how I'm gonna plan it out. I do hear a chest. Ooh, I want to keep these clingers because I have no real effective way of destroying walls and stuff. So I mean, I think I'm gonna keep these clingers all game. Another dual wieldy. Oh, you serious? I don't know. These are dualies, and then those are dual wieldies. So, another one. Wow, that's just kind of insane to me. But anywho, let's see if we can find. I've been getting very lucky. Like, I mean, I've been finding really good weapons, like 2 dual wieldy boys. Plus, like, when do you find purple weapons that often? I just had 2 snipers. I don't know. I think Pleasant was a smart area to drop. Pop. Breach and charge. Breach and charge. I think I might have. Whoa! What a stew! What are those? That was nice. That was real nice. Did kind of lose a lot of health, but I got the kill, and I think I'm gonna survive for a little bit longer if the storm was a little bit kinder. Might not. I don't know how I'm gonna make it. That was a real lucky headshot. So I think they made it. I don't know for a fact, but I think they made it so that dualies do more than like 81 per headshot, because I feel like that was more than 81. Because she had shield and everything, and she probably had 75 health, or full health. So I don't know. I'm very suspicious. But I think this is gonna be my dream loader right here. Only I had a few more clingers, so those clingers really helped flush her out and stuff. But I don't know, kind of random stuff. Continuing on the glider. Why I don't really like to buy gliders because you don't really use them that much. Like, I've only really bought 2 pickaxes, and that was the dragon pickaxe, which is, by the way, worth buying, and the Batsicle, just because, I just kind of like the Batsicle, it's cool. And gliders, on the other hand, I've bought a single glider, and that's the Deep Space Glider. But, skins, skins you see every game. Skins, I don't really buy skins without backpacks, unless they're really cool. So, I don't know, comment your favorite skin, backpack, your favorite pickaxe, and glider. And yeah, I'd really like to see what everyone thinks about that. Looks like there's a little bit of a build battle here. I don't quite know. Let's see, whoa. Okay. Something's missing. Oh wait, the tree right there is missing. And all the trees here are missing. I think there's a lot of people at Tilted. My guess were. So I think I'm gonna steal around Tilted unless the storm says otherwise. And I'm probably gonna have to outbuild my opponents, even though I'm not the greatest builder. I'm probably gonna have to outbuild them because I definitely can't outgun them. They're gonna have, ARs, drum guns, stuff like that. Actual shotguns. Best shotgun I'm probably gonna have is, I would love to see a blue pistol. That's what I'd like to see. Wait, I just jumped on 2 tires right there. Is this all like 1 tire? No. It is just 1 tire stack. I thought it was like 2. 2, 3. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay in Tilted. Don't know how smart that is. Looks like I know nobody can come and flank me from this hill. Actually, people are gonna flank because the storm just came, so I'm gonna be on this hill because I know nobody can come from behind me. And if they do, I know I can kill them because it'll be low. Is that a launch pad? No way. No way. It's a launch pad with a bounce pad to it? Wait, what do you mean? Ah, there we go. What do you actually mean? I think I'm gonna stay here. Don't know how smart that is. I'm going to take out this 1 impulse grenade because I know I'm gonna need it. Sniper, suppressed pistol. Just forgot about these pistols. So never mind. I don't think I want a blue pistol. I think I want a legendary suppressed pistol. So far, I've got all epics with an epic skin. Comment down below if you want me to do the thing that everyone does, like the rarity of your skin or whatever is only the rarity of the guns you can use. Comment down below if you want to see me that, or just drop a like. Dropping a like also means you want to see that video. If you don't want to see that video, still like. Looks like the storm's gonna come in. I think this is a game to win. This is definitely a game to win. See, drop down. I might want to go onto the thingy thing. tilted the castle. I don't think there's anyone really in here yet. Probably shouldn't jinx it, but don't know. I don't think there's anyone. Nobody grabbed the chest here. Whenever I go Trump, it's normally always the first thing I collect. So, see, we're 14 players left unless they fix the glitch where like you count as a player. It's not really a glitch, but a thing. Blue pistol, there it is. But don't really need that ammo, but still gonna pick it up just in case someone else needs that ammo. You don't get it. Get it off. Another one. Okay, I'm counting 3. Another one. That's just insane to me. See anything on this? Ooh, I'll take that brick. I don't desperately need it. I've got enough mats, but never run down some brick. This is where someone died. Could source some metal. Really not, but lag spike maybe. So what I really like about this gun is that it doesn't have very much bullet drop off unless it fixed in the new patch update today. But these have a lot of bullet drop off. This is just really expensive to shoot, and this thing shoots really fast. You can like go into precise mode, not precise, but you know what I mean. It's overall pretty good. I also want, when you impulse, I want them to make it so that you don't take any fall damage. Like you take half fall damage. So you can't really ever die if you impulse. What? There's another launch pad? I'm not gonna really need it yet. But man, the storm's been so lucky and no one's been dying. That's actually a really good thing, because people probably really can't be like me right now. Nobody there is there? Nope. A slurp. Alright. I'm sorry, Impulse. I'm gonna have to take that instead. Oh, look. One person died. Sniper gain killed Angel. Ammo. Man, this is like insane. Why isn't there anyone here? Like, I don't know. This is like weird. Did anyone even drop here? I want to keep the C4. Kind of want to pick up those bandages, but I know that if I do, I'll regret it, because I'm gonna want that C4 to blow something up. Because, like I said, I don't really have a second chance at things. I want to get up to that roof for the launch pad, because then I don't have to worry about the storm and get the high ground where I wanted to get it. I'll be a-okay. It looks like I'm finding some more ammo for this gun, so I can like want to shoot it. Looks like there definitely was a battle here. I just probably shouldn't destroy that. I don't know why do oh, it's probably a full ammo crate, because nobody really checks ammo crates anymore. Oh, looks like they're up there. There's a battle going on, like right up there. Kind of want to wait for like the very last moment, really like scout out. Kind of want to go into that hill right there. Where's that hill? Maybe I should go on top of that hill. No, I don't think I'll have enough launch power. I think I'm going to go on top of that hill. So I'll just wait for the storm to be on my back. All those more thingies right there. I still can't believe we found the launch pad back there. And 2 launch pads, like. What do I get? A trap? Alright. Oh, there is action here. I am going to just kind of lay low though. Yeah, I really wish I kind of wish I could camp in a tree. Well, that does not look suspicious at all. Someone probably just cozied in there. Which is a good sign for me. I really like this press pistol because you can't see where someone's shooting, if someone's shooting it. Oh! Whoa, what was that? The double shotgun? I didn't know it sounded like that. No, it can't be a double shotgun. Shark Jesus. Wow, that's kind of a funky name. There's 9 players left, 8 players left. I'm not wanting to really go and attack anyone. But if I have to, I have to. I guess I'm gonna have to. Ooh, got me head chopped off. Ooh, that's a really good way. She retreated. Oh, the people over there. Please don't say. How'd she get in? Well, no matter. We got 8th place. That was pretty good. But see you again next video.